Faith serves as the foundation of every believer's life, providing the inner strength and stability necessary to navigate the uncertainties and challenges of each day. When we understand that God is the shepherd who watches over us, it becomes clear that faith is not a passive belief, but an active trust in His guidance and provision. Faith teaches us to rely on the unseen reality of God's presence, knowing that even when circumstances seem chaotic or threatening, we are under divine care. It instills confidence in making decisions because we learn to discern the right path through prayer, meditation, and reflection on spiritual truths. This foundational trust also shapes our perception of daily challenges, transforming obstacles into opportunities for growth, patience, and endurance. The act of placing faith in God requires discipline, as the mind often wants to focus on fear, doubt, or self-reliance, but through consistent practice, believers learn to cultivate a mindset that aligns with divine wisdom. Faith acts like a compass, guiding behavior, choices, and priorities in a way that honors the higher purpose for which we were created. It also nurtures perseverance, helping us endure hardships without succumbing to despair, because we are anchored in a reality that transcends temporal difficulties. Moreover, understanding faith as a foundation empowers us to influence our environment positively, modeling trust and confidence for others who may be struggling. It becomes an educational principle that demonstrates the practical effects of spiritual reliance. Decision-making becomes clearer. Relationships are strengthened through patience and understanding, and inner peace is maintained even amidst external turbulence. Faith also encourages a proactive engagement with life, motivating believers to step forward boldly while trusting that guidance and protection are ever present. It transforms prayer from a routine activity into a dynamic conversation where we listen and respond, deepening our connection with the divine. Through faith, the believer develops a resilient character, one that is equipped to handle uncertainty with grace and courage. Ultimately, this foundational principle teaches that life is not about avoiding difficulties, but about navigating them with confidence, assurance, and an unwavering trust that God, as the shepherd, will provide direction, sustenance, and protection in every moment. The principle of divine provision emphasizes that God is fully aware of every need in our lives and is committed to supplying them in His perfect timing and way. Understanding this concept requires a shift in perspective, moving away from anxiety about material, emotional, or spiritual shortages and towards a confident trust in God's care. Provision is not limited to physical necessities such as food, shelter, or finances. It also includes emotional stability, spiritual growth, wisdom, and strength to face daily challenges. When believers grasp that God provides for all aspects of life, they are able to cultivate a mindset of contentment, gratitude, and dependence, rather than comparison or fear. This principle teaches that our responsibilities are to faithfully pursue our tasks, make diligent efforts, and exercise stewardship while leaving the outcomes in the hands of God, who knows the best course of action. Divine provision encourages an understanding that scarcity is often a temporary perspective shaped by human limitations, while abundance is a reflection of God's eternal faithfulness. By trusting in provision, believers are empowered to make decisions that honor values and principles rather than reacting out of desperation or lack. It also strengthens patience, as waiting for God's timing becomes an act of faith and recognition that He sees the bigger picture, far beyond what we can comprehend. The educational aspect of this teaching highlights the practical implications when we act in accordance with divine guidance. Opportunities and resources appear in ways that may seem unexpected, demonstrating the creativity and generosity inherent in God's provision. This principle also nurtures generosity in those who receive, as recognizing God's abundant care naturally leads to a desire to share blessings with others, creating a cycle of provision that extends beyond the individual. It reinforces the understanding that God's care is holistic, addressing both visible and invisible needs, and assures believers that nothing is overlooked. Through this lens, every day becomes an exercise in gratitude, trust, and wise action, where challenges are met not with fear or scarcity thinking, but with assurance that God's hand is actively at work, orchestrating circumstances to meet every need. This understanding transforms worry into confidence, dependence into empowerment, and ordinary moments into opportunities to witness the faithfulness of a God who faithfully provides for every aspect of life. Spiritual restoration and renewal are vital aspects of a believer's life, serving as a constant reminder that inner strength and vitality are replenished through connection with God. Restoration goes beyond mere physical rest. It involves the rejuvenation of the mind, heart, and soul, allowing a person to realign with divine purposes and regain clarity, peace, and focus. Just as the psalmist emphasizes that the soul is restored, believers are encouraged to understand that spiritual fatigue, emotional weariness, and mental stress can all be renewed through intentional engagement with God, often through prayer, meditation on Scripture, and reflection on His goodness. This process teaches that life's challenges are not meant to permanently drain energy or diminish hope, but are opportunities to rely more deeply on divine strength. Renewal also strengthens resilience, enabling believers to face recurring struggles with fresh perspective and courage, recognizing that setbacks are temporary and that restoration is always accessible. Educationally, this principle illustrates the importance of regular spiritual maintenance. Much like how the body requires nourishment and rest, the soul needs consistent care and attention to flourish. Engaging in morning prayer serves as a practical application of this concept, creating a structured time to seek guidance, acknowledge God's presence, and invite His restorative power into every area of life. Renewal through God's care also fosters emotional balance, helping individuals process past disappointments, release burdens, and embrace hope for the future. It emphasizes that restoration is not passive but an interactive process requiring focus, surrender, and a willingness to let divine influence reshape thoughts, attitudes, and perspectives. Moreover, understanding spiritual renewal encourages a proactive approach to life, teaching that each day presents a new opportunity to experience growth, strength, and clarity. This perspective nurtures perseverance, equipping believers to maintain optimism and steadfastness even when circumstances appear overwhelming. Ultimately, restoration and renewal highlight the transformative nature of divine interaction, showing that the soul can be continuously refreshed, strengthened, and prepared to fulfill its purpose with vigor and confidence. By embracing this principle, individuals learn to start each day with intentionality, assurance, and a renewed sense of hope, demonstrating that spiritual vitality is cultivated through consistent connection with God and receptivity to His restorative power. Guidance through decisions is a fundamental principle for living a purposeful and balanced life, emphasizing the importance of seeking and following divine direction in every choice we make. Life presents countless decisions daily, ranging from simple tasks to major life-altering directions, and without a clear source of guidance, confusion, regret, and inefficiency can easily take hold. Understanding that God provides guidance teaches believers that they are not left to navigate uncertainty alone, but have access to a wisdom that surpasses human understanding. This principle encourages an educational approach to decision-making, combining discernment, study of Scripture, prayerful reflection, and attentiveness to spiritual promptings as tools to align actions with divine will. Guidance is not always about choosing the easiest or most convenient path. Rather, it is about making decisions that uphold righteousness, integrity, and long-term growth. Recognizing the presence of divine leadership in daily life instills confidence, reduces anxiety, and strengthens clarity, allowing individuals to act decisively and responsibly. Moreover, guidance teaches the importance of patience and waiting for the right direction, as impulsive or rushed decisions often lead to unnecessary mistakes. The practical implication of this principle extends to relationships, career choices, personal development, and spiritual growth, showing that thoughtful adherence to a higher wisdom produces outcomes that are consistent, beneficial, and sustainable. Believers are educated to understand that guidance often comes subtly through circumstances, counsel from trusted mentors, and inner convictions, requiring sensitivity and attentiveness to recognize. Following divine direction also cultivates humility, as it acknowledges that human reasoning alone is limited and that success and fulfillment are achieved when personal plans are harmonized with divine purpose. This process demonstrates the interconnectedness of trust, obedience, and discernment, showing that guidance is not passive but an active practice of listening, evaluating, and responding faithfully. Ultimately, consistently seeking guidance transforms decision, making from a source of stress into an opportunity for spiritual growth, confidence, and empowerment. It equips individuals to navigate complexity with wisdom, embrace clarity over confusion, and act with assurance that every step taken in alignment with higher direction contributes to a life marked by purpose, stability, and meaningful outcomes. By understanding and applying this principle, believers are prepared to face life's challenges with informed judgment and unwavering confidence, demonstrating the practical power of divine guidance in shaping a successful and fulfilled life. Overcoming fear is a critical aspect of living a confident and spiritually empowered life, as fear can paralyze decision-making, diminish joy, and weaken faith if left unchecked. Understanding that fear is a natural human response but not a permanent condition is the first step toward mastering it. By internalizing the truth that God's presence accompanies us in every situation, believers learn that fear loses its power because it cannot coexist with trust in divine protection. This teaching educates individuals on the practical steps to face fear, emphasizing awareness, acknowledgement, and intentional reliance on spiritual truth rather than surrendering to anxiety or doubt. Fear often arises from uncertainty, perceived threats, or past experiences, but when a person consistently reminds themselves of divine guidance and care, fear begins to diminish and courage takes its place. The process of overcoming fear involves cultivating mental and emotional discipline, such as focusing on promises of safety, peace, and provision, and replacing negative or catastrophic thinking with positive affirmations rooted in spiritual understanding. Educationally, this principle demonstrates that fear is not overcome by avoidance, but by engagement, by confronting challenges with knowledge, preparation, and faith that one is never alone in the journey. It also highlights the role of resilience, teaching that repeated practice of trusting God's presence strengthens the ability to remain calm and composed under pressure. Additionally, overcoming fear contributes to personal growth as it opens opportunities for action, leadership, and influence that would otherwise be avoided due to hesitation or insecurity. The principle extends to all areas of life, from relationships and career choices to health, finances, and spiritual endeavors, showing that fear is often a barrier to progress and fulfillment. When individuals learn to respond to fear with confidence rooted in trust, they experience freedom, clarity, and increased effectiveness in every aspect of life. Furthermore, this understanding encourages a mindset of proactive courage, where believers are empowered to take bold steps, embrace challenges, and persist through difficulties, knowing that protection and guidance are ever present. Ultimately, overcoming fear is not merely a temporary relief from anxiety, but a lifelong practice of replacing doubt with trust, uncertainty with assurance, and hesitation with decisive, faith-driven action, equipping individuals to live with confidence, stability, and purpose in alignment with higher principles. The concept of abundance despite adversity is a transformative principle that teaches believers to recognize and embrace the overflowing blessings available even when circumstances appear challenging or limiting. Life naturally presents trials, difficulties, and periods of scarcity that can lead to doubt, frustration, or discouragement, but understanding abundance through a spiritual lens shifts focus from what is lacking to what is already provided. This principle educates individuals on the importance of perspective, demonstrating that abundance is not merely measured by material wealth, but also by spiritual richness, emotional stability, relationships, opportunities, and inner peace. Believers are encouraged to maintain a mindset that identifies resources and blessings in every situation, cultivating gratitude and resilience, which in turn strengthens faith and confidence. Adversity, rather than being a hindrance, becomes a context in which the reality of abundance can be realized, as it encourages reliance on divine wisdom, provision, and creativity to navigate challenges. Practically, this teaching emphasizes proactive engagement with life, taking faithful steps toward goals, applying learned skills, and maintaining diligence while trusting that the outcomes will reflect divine favor and generosity. Abundance in adversity also underscores the educational principle that setbacks are not permanent and that spiritual, emotional, and even material overflow can emerge from persistence, prayer, and wise action. This perspective fosters perseverance, helping individuals stay motivated even when immediate results are not visible, because abundance is often revealed in ways that transcend human expectation. Moreover, recognizing abundance despite adversity nurtures generosity, as those who experience overflow are inspired to share with others, creating a positive cycle that multiplies blessings within communities. It also encourages adaptability and resourcefulness, teaching that opportunities can arise even in difficult conditions, and that limitations can be transformed into stepping stones for growth and success. Ultimately, this principle reinforces the idea that life's true wealth is not dictated solely by external circumstances, but by the ability to perceive, receive, and act upon the blessings already present. By internalizing and applying this concept, individuals learn to face challenges with optimism, maintain confidence in uncertain times, and cultivate a resilient, prosperous mindset that enables them to thrive spiritually, emotionally, and practically, demonstrating that abundance is accessible to those who align their actions, attitudes, and expectations with enduring truths.